What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be picking through a Medeco original that I got from Left Hand Loki. I do not know what's in this one, and I don't know if I want to take it apart because it just seems like it's in this kick cylinder, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to position the driver pins correctly to put them back in. It's a real pain in the butt. Excuses, whatevs. I'm not going to be doing that with this one. So we're just going to go ahead and pick it. Now, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and scramble all the pins in there because, you know, we want to make sure that they're not in the correct directions when we start out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And next up, I'm just going to go through and pick it like normal. Now, when I set a pin, if it felt like it was kind of mushy or mashed potato-y when I pushed it up, even if it clicks into place, I know it's in the wrong position because of how it felt when I pushed it up. So if I do push any of these up and they feel like the mashed potatoes, once they're in place, I'm going to take my pick and either push or pull the side of the pin until I feel it kind of drop down and get super rattly in there. It's going to be really rattly and feel very rattly. So that's what I'm looking for. Now, any pin that I set that automatically does feel rattly, I'm going to know it's already set appropriately, so I'm going to just set it and move on. Now, in this lock particularly, I did set a couple that seemed to be in the correct position, and then there were a couple that I had to kind of move around, you know, as I was picking through the lock. If I felt that they weren't rattling like they should, I just went ahead and pushed and pulled and turned them until they did that. The back here, I think, unless that's just, no, that's not it. Okay, let's come back to the front and check around. Okay, this first one might be binding. Alright, I got a little click out of it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Next one. The next one. Alright, this one feels binding. And pushing it up, it felt like it clicked nicely, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's just keep trying. Right, I got another one binding here. Ooh, that one clicked. Nice click. Alright, I got a little bit of core movement, that one. Now, let's see. Nothing. Alright, we got another one binding back here, I think. And it's binding hard. Hold on. Does it get picked? Let's see. It doesn't feel like it wants to move, so I'm gonna kind of jiggle around in here and see if I can get it to turn in a different direction, maybe, to get it to move. I don't know. Push on it. Let's see. I don't know, guys. It's like something in there solid that doesn't want to move. I'm gonna skip whatever that is and come back out to the front. And there's a little bit of a binding. I feel like. I think that's a binder. Let's see. Alright. I got a tiny click, I think. Let's just check around. Oh. And obviously, you see, wasn't that bad to get it open. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.